Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to invite friends to join you in Minecraft so you can play together. Let's get started. First, launch the Minecraft on your device and then here in the main menu select play. Create or open a world where you want your friends to join. And once your world loads, press pause to open the game menu. And from here, select invite to game. Here you'll see a list of your online friends, and if you're playing with the Bedrock Edition, your Xbox Live or the Microsoft account friends will appear here. On Java Edition, you'll need to invite friends through server or realms and select the friend that you want to invite. Then press send invite. Once your friends accept, they'll appear in your world so you can start playing together. And that's it. Now you know how to invite your friends in Minecraft and enjoy building, mining, and exploring together. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.